Chers participants, bon après-midi à vous tous et bienvenue au deuxième cours de la formation d'aujourd'hui sous le nom Maitriser l'anglais IGCSE Compétences pour passer l'examen. Dans le cours d'aujourd'hui, vous apprendrez Vocabulary and Grammar for Examination Success, Lesson Plan, Warm-up, Academy Vocabulary, Word Formation and Collection, Verb tenses, Sentence Structure, linking words, modal verbs, and common grammar mistakes. Tout cela avec Dr. Souad Shlaghi, membre du corps professoral de l'Université Midocean. Accordons maintenant la parole à Dr. Souad. Dr. Souad, la parole est à vous. Vous pouvez commencer votre deuxième cours.
Merci à vous, Malak. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our second IGCSE English training session. So I'm delighted to see you all again. I hope you are ready for another engaging and productive lesson. As you see, today we will focus on vocabulary and grammar to help you improve your English and perform confidently in the IGCSE examination. So let's get started. So here, dear participants, we have the lesson plan for today's session. Warm-up, academic vocabulary. Part 3, word formation and collocations. Part 4, verb tenses. Part 5, sentence structure. Part 6, linking words, modal verbs, and common grammar mistakes. Of course, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use academic vocabulary accurately, understand examination command words, recognize and use common collocations, build new words using prefixes and suffixes, apply grammar accurately in speaking and writing, also produce clear and accurate sentences suitable for IG tasks. Okay, so as you see here, we have warm-up activity question. I have a question for you. Question number 1. Which English skill do you find most challenging? You have vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, or speaking. So who wants to answer my question? You can raise your hands. Okay, you have question number 1. Which English skill do you find most challenging?
For those who want to answer Dr. Souad's question, you can raise your hand or write down the answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Souad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Doctor, should we use random? Shall we choose randomly?
Yeah.
Or...
Yeah. We can choose. We select one participant. Okay, let's select.
Catherine? Catherine? Okay, Catherine, the mic is yours. You have now the access to your microphone. Please answer the question. Catherine, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question. Okay, Catherine can't speak right now, but she wrote down her answer speaking. And the rest? Let's move on to Omadi, Rebecca. Omadi, the mic is yours. Please answer the question. Omadi Aboubakar, la parole est à vous. Veuillez s'il vous plaît répondre à la question suivante. Umadi.
Okay, so
Hello everyone.
hello. So my
Uh,
question is, which English skill do you find most challenging? I said vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, or speaking.
Excuse me, repeat the question.
Which English skill do you find most challenging? Vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, or speaking?
I think my is the speaking for me.
Can you tell us why? Why?
I don't know many words and vocabulary.
You are talking about speaking. You mean that you have communication problems?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What about grammar reading? So it's okay for you writing, speaking?
For me, it's good.
Okay. So only speaking is difficult for you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Someone else? Someone else? So let's listen to Antoine. Hello, Antoine. Can you hear me?
Okay, Antoine, the mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone. Antoine, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au micro. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question de Dr. Souad.
Question number 2, Antoine. Okay, so why do you think vocabulary is important in examinations?
Antoine, kindly answer the question, Dr. Souad question, please. What English skill do you find most challenging? Please answer the question. I think that there is
okay. No problem. Let's move on.
Problem.
Yeah. We can move to someone else. Okay. So raise your hands.
Mona, maybe.
Okay.
Mona.
Or let's go back to here. Sorry, Humadi. Okay.
There's
Salahuddin. Yeah, you answer question number 2, Salahuddin. Okay. Why do you think vocab is important in examination? Vocabulary.
Yes,
so, hi everyone.
You have access to your microphone. Salahuddin, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre micro.
Okay, thank you. So, hi everyone.
Hello.
For me, I do think that vocabulary is, I think, very important for examination because I mean, you have to know how to structure your thoughts, and if you don't have any vocabularies words that you know, it will be difficult to express your feeling, your thoughts, and those kind of things.
Good. Yeah, good. Salahuddin, yes. Thank you very much, Salahuddin. Okay, let's listen to Catherine. Catherine.
Okay, Catherine, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Catherine, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre micro.
Yeah, I would answer the second question. The vocabulary is is more important because when you do not memorize vocabulary, you will not speak English very well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Catherine. Thank you. So, of course, here, vocabulary is important in examination as it helps you understand exam questions correctly. Also, it improves reading comprehension and enables you to express your ideas clearly in writing and speaking too. Okay. Now, question
Yes.
number 3, I have another question for you, Catherine. So, what grammar mistakes do you make most often?
Catherine,
I,
please answer the question.
I heard this. I heard this.
Mhm.
I don't have any question to answer.
You mean you don't make grammar mistakes?
It's not mistake. It's not mistake. The grammar is very good. If you do not have a knowledge, you will not speak.
Okay. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you for all of you. Okay, now let's continue now. Okay, I continue. Okay, now let's move on to part 2. As you see, we're gonna talk about academic and examination vocabulary. Okay, so part 2 deals with academic and examination vocabulary. So let's see together. So I'm going to start with the definition here. Okay, so why does academic vocabulary matter? Academic vocabulary is the formal language used in examinations, textbooks, reports, articles, and essays. So it helps you express ideas clearly, accurately, and professionally. Okay? So here we have examples of everyday versus academic English. So here you have, for example, in everyday English, we say get. In academic English, we say obtain. In everyday English, we say help, to help someone. Academic English, to assist. Everyday English, we say to show. In academic English, we say to demonstrate. In everyday English, we say to use, and in academic English, we say to utilize or use appropriately. Then we have everyday English, we say to start. Academic English, we say to commence. Everyday English, we say and in academic English, we say to conclude. Okay? Now, you have an activity. Okay, so replace the everyday word. So rewrite each sentence using a more academic word. So who wants to start? We have 8 sentences. Okay, sentence number 1, for example, the teacher helped the students. We can replace here verb to help with assisted as an academic word. We can say the teacher assisted the students instead of saying helped the students. Okay, so who wants to do sentence number 2? The company got more customers. Yes, let's listen to Abu Bakr. Yes. Yes, Abu Bakr.
Okay, Abu Bakr, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Abu Bakr, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre micro.
Thank you. The company obtained more customers.
So here you have replaced verb to get, and you use Oh, you said the company
Obtained.
obtained. Good. Continue, Abu Bakr. Number
Yes.
3. Sentence number 3.
The scientist show
Showed.
the scientist demonstrated the result.
Excellent. Okay, so here you said showed instead of demonstrated instead of saying, sorry, showed. Okay, number 4.
Okay. We should keep we should I forgot the words, the vocabulary.
So we should keep our environment clean. What can you say? We should keep our environment clean.
Should.
Yeah.
Yes.
Keep.
Yes.
So use academic words.
Yes. Oh, we utilize our environment clean. I think that's I'm not very I'm not very sure, but I say we utilize our environment clean.
Okay. Can you do the next one?
Okay.
The project started? Yeah?
The project commence. The project commenced in January.
Yeah? Okay, so here you say the project started in January. Okay, so you're gonna replace the verb started. So use an academic word.
I say commenced.
Commenced. Okay. Next, number 6. The study found an important problem.
Found. The student found.
Yeah.
Investigate.
Quickly, Abu Bakr. So if you don't know the answer, we can move on. Okay. So we study found an important problem. Okay. So let me help you here. Okay. Here, number 5. We can say here. The scientist demonstrated the results. We should maintain a clean environment. The project commenced in January. So 6, the study identified a significant issue. Sentence number 7, students should consider both opinions, okay? And Abu Bakr, number 8. Can you do number 8? She gave a good answer. So use an academic word here. More academic words.
Please answer your question. The question. The mic is yours.
Sentence number 8. She gave a good answer. Use a more academic word in the sentence.
Abu Bakr, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Abu Bakr, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question.
Okay, but I think the best word to use in the sentence.
Yeah.
Give. give a good answer. No. Give.
Okay, Abu Bakr, so let me help you. So let me hear. The answer is she gave an excellent response. Okay, you can say she gave a good answer. Okay, a more academic word, we can say an excellent response. Okay, thank you, Abu Bakr. Let's
Okay.
continue now. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Okay, who wants to?
It's okay.
Oh,
So, okay, let's continue now. We have examination command words, okay? Examination command words explain that understanding command words is essential because they tell students exactly what the examiner expects, okay? For example, here you have the command word, what you must do, and the example. Identify means find or name. Example, identify 2 reasons for recycling. To describe means say what something is like. Okay, so of course, all of these are examination command words. You should understand them. It's very important to know all of them, okay? So I said to describe means to say what something is like. Example, describe the changes shown in the graph. To explain means to say what something is, to explain, to give reasons, to explain, for example, why exercise is important. Next, you have to compare, means to show similarities. Example, compare life in 2 countries. Contrast means to show differences. Example, contrast online hearing with classroom learning. To discuss means present different ideas and opinions. For example, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of social media. To evaluate means to judge strengths and weaknesses. For example, evaluate the effectiveness of renewable energy. To summarize means to give the main points only. For example, summarize the article in your own words. To justify means to give reasons to support your opinions. For example, justify your answer with evidence. Predict means to say what is likely to happen. Predict the future impact of artificial intelligence. Okay? As I said, so understanding command words is essential because they tell you exactly what the examiner expects. Okay? So here you have a matching exercise, dear participants, okay? The question is match the command word. So match the command word to its meaning, okay? Here you have different command words and here you have the meaning. Okay, who wants to start? Matching exercise, participation, please. Okay, let's choose.
For those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write down the answer in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. No time for shy people. Come on.
Homadi, hello, Abu Bakr, okay.
On m'a dit, Aboubakar, the mic is yours, you have access to your microphone. On m'a dit, Aboubakar, la parole est à vous, vous avez accès à votre micro.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Compare. The meaning is
not compare. Sorry,
similarity.
sorry. It's not compare. I said match the command word. Okay. Yeah. The question. Yes. Yes, Aboubakar, continue.
Compare. Show similarity.
Okay. Number 2, to explain. What does it mean?
To explain. Give reason. The meaning of is give reason.
Continue.
To describe. Say what something is like.
Yeah.
To evaluate, judge strength and weaknesses.
Yeah. Summarize.
Summarize. Write only the main point.
Okay, excellent. Well done, Aboubakar. Thank you so much. Okay. Here we have another exam practice. Read the following question. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of studying online. So here, dear participants, so should you give only advantages? Should you give only disadvantages, or should you discuss both? Of course, here we should discuss both, okay? We should explain how understanding the command word helps the student answer the questions correctly and earn more marks, okay? Okay, now we continue here in part 2. We will cover word formation, prefixes, suffixes, and word families, high frequency IG collocations, interactive pair work activities, vocabulary, and a challenging IG style vocabulary. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to talk about word formation and collocation here. Part 3 deals with word formation and collocation. So, dear participants, imagine you know the word decide in an examination. You might also need to use decision, decisive or decisively. Strong English learners don't just know one word, they know an entire word family. So today, we will learn how English words are connected and how native speakers naturally combine words. So these combinations are called collocations, and using them correctly can make your writing and speaking sound much more fluent, okay? So, we're gonna start with word families here. For example, you have decide, decision, decisive, and decisively. Example in context. For example, here, as a verb, we say, we must decide today. As a noun, it was a difficult decision. Donc ici, decision, decide. As an adjective, she made a decisive choice. And as an adverb, she answered decisively. Okay? Okay. We have an activity now. Complete the table. Complete the missing forms. You have the verb, the noun, and the adjective. Okay? Example number 1, the verb is to educate. So, can you find the noun? You have the adjective educational. The noun here. Yes, let's listen to Abu Bakr, yeah? Yes, Abu Bakr.
Abu Bakr, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Oumadi Abu Bakr, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre micro.
Okay. The noun of educate is education.
Okay. Decide. Continue, Abu Bakr. Decide.
Decide, decision of our adjective is decisive.
Decide.
Decisive.
Decisive. Okay. To communicate. Give me the noun.
Communication.
Okay, and the adjective is communicative. To compete.
Adjectives is competitive.
Okay, continue, please, continue.
Improve.
The verb is to improve. Give me the noun.
The noun is improvision.
Oh, improvement. Okay,
Improvement.
so improvement. Okay, good. And the adjective is improve it. We continue with to achieve.
Achieve.
Quickly, Abu Bakr. Achievement, adjective, achieve.
Achieved.
Achievement is the noun. The adjective?
Oh, no. I forgot the word. I don't know.
You can say achievement. So here the noun is achievement and the adjective achieve it. Okay.
Okay.
Creation. Creation. Adjective. Create. Creative. Okay. And the last one, Abu Bakr, to develop. Find the noun. The noun, Abu Bakr. Develop.
Development.
Development, yes. Development, and the adjective is developed. Okay, good. So let's continue now here. Okay, let's talk about prefixes. Okay, so what is a prefix? Okay, as you know, a prefix is added before a root word to change its meaning. Example, happy, unhappy. Okay, legal, illegal, possible, impossible. Okay, so we added before the root word, of course, to change the meaning. When we say happy, the opposite here, unhappy. Okay. Here you have common prefixes, okay, like an, meaning not, like unhappy, in, incorrect, am, like impossible, ill, illegal, irregular, this, like disagree, do something again, like, for example, rewrite, okay? Choose the correct prefix. Who wants to come? Fill in the blanks, okay? Choose the correct prefix. Participation. Choose the correct prefix. Okay, Salah ad-Din, yeah.
Salah ad-Din, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Salah ad-Din, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre micro.
Okay, for the first one, this will be impossible.
Good.
And the second one, it will be disagree. The third, rewrite.
The fourth, yes.
The fourth one, it will be illegal. For the last one, misunderstand.
Misunderstand. It means that you didn't understand something. Okay.
Understand.
Very good. Yeah. Thank you for you. Okay. So misunderstand here, of course, it means to understand something and correctly. Okay. We continue now. Okay. Create new words. Moina. Okay, you have the base word. Can you create a new word using here? You have the base words, Moina. You have happy using prefixes too. Okay, so use prefixes to create a new word. Let's listen to Moina.
Okay, Moina. The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Moina, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question.
Happy. Unhappy.
Okay.
Fair. Unfair.
Yes.
Regular. Irregular. Appear. Disappear.
Yes.
Use. I don't know. Useless.
Prefix. Use a prefix.
Okay. Can I say unused?
Unused. Think about again. What is which prefix can you use? Misuse. Okay. We can say misuse, which means you use something wrongly or badly. Okay, Moina, continue.
Yeah.
Continue. You have pack.
Unpack.
Yeah. Unpack.
I said
What does unpack? Okay, you know the meaning of unpack. Of course, it means to take things out of a pack or bag. Okay, good.
Yes.
Thank you, Moina. Thank you, Moina. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to section C. I'm going to talk about suffixes, okay? Now, after talking about prefixes, now we're going to talk about suffixes. What is a suffix? A suffix is added after a word. For example, happy, happiness, development, care, careful, and hope, hopeless. Here you have common suffixes, the function and the example. You have the suffix ness, the function noun, example, happiness. Then meant, development, communication, okay. IT, like ability, the function noun. ER, so person, you have teacher, full, adjective like beautiful, less, adjective like careless. Okay. Now, activity number 3, complete the words. So raise your hands, guys. Complete the words. So who wants to start? Complete the words with the right suffix. Complete the words.
For those who want
Yeah.
to answer Dr. Suad the question, you can raise your hand or write down your answers in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main. soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Miriam, would you give it a try? The mic is yours. You have the access to your microphone. Miriam, veuillez essayer. La parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre micro. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question de Dr. Souad. Okay. Ali Musuluhu Aridin. The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Ali Musuluhu Haridin. La parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question de Dr. Souad.
Okay, yes. Abu Bakr,
Okay, let's
yes.
move on to Umadia Abubakar. Umadia Abubakar, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Umadia Abubakar, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
Okay. The first one is happy. The word is happiness.
Okay, continue.
Improvement. Education.
Good.
Communication. Dangerous. Careful. Create.
Yeah.
Create is
Create.
Create is I don't know the suffix we can use for create.
You can say creative, okay? Creative as an adjective or creator as a noun, okay? Also creation too as a noun, okay? Continue.
Success is successful.
Successful. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, nice answers. Thank you, Abu Bakr. Okay. Collocations now. Let's move on to talk about collocations. What is a collocation? A collocation is a natural combination of words that native speakers commonly use together. I give you an example. We say make a decision, not do a decision, okay? So this is a collocation. You have make a decision. So learning collocations helps students sound more natural in speaking and writing. Here you have common IG collocations. Examples here, education. For example, we say take an exam, pass an exam, fail an exam, revise for an exam, gain knowledge, acquire skills, achieve success, make progress, do homework, and conduct research. So all of these are collocations about education. Another example here, we have collocations about the environment, like, for example, reduce pollution. We say protect wildlife, conserve energy, recycle waste, renewable energy, climate change, environmental issues, and natural resources. Collocations about technology, we say access information, browse the internet, use social media, download files, upload documents, communicate online, and protect personal data. Health, for example, keep fit, eat a balanced diet, take regular exercise, maintain good health, suffer from stress, lead a healthy lifestyle. You have matching exercise now, dear participants, okay? So match the verbs with the nouns. Let's listen to who wants to start. You can raise your hands. Matching. Quickly.
For those who
Raise your
want
hands.
to answer Dr. Suad the question, you can raise your hand or write down in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Moana, would you like to give it a try? The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Moana, veuillez s'il vous plaît essayer. La parole est à vous. Veuillez répondre à la question.
A, we have make a decision. Do homework.
Yeah. So do homework, okay.
Take. Okay.
Take
notes. Note.
Take notes. Okay, pass. Pass what?
Pass
Good.
an exam.
Continue. Pass.
An exam.
Yeah. Next.
Next. Revise for an exam too. Keep. Again. Keep progress.
Keep progress?
No,
Are you sure?
I don't think so. Keep healthy.
Keep healthy, yes.
And we again
gain
knowledge.
What do you gain? Yeah, so you can gain knowledge and lead
the progress.
Okay, good answers. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Now, activity number 5, fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps, complete the sentences using the correct collocation. Okay, so let's listen to, raise your hands, listen to, complete the sentence using the correct collocation quickly. Yeah.
For those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write down your answer below in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos questions via le chat. Anishat, would you like to give it a try, please? Anishat, vous voulez essayer, s'il vous plaît? La parole est à vous, vous avez accès au micro. The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone right now.
Number 1, students should
revise for the examination every evening.
Yeah.
Two scientists are trying to reduce pollution.
Mm-hmm.
Three children should keep a balanced diet.
Good.
Or the teacher asked us to take notes.
Yes.
Students usually progress quickly.
Make progress quickly. Okay. Number 6.
Should have energy whenever possible.
We should save energy whenever possible. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Now, part 4, let's move on to part 4. Grammar focus, verb tenses and sentence structure, okay? So, dear participants, as you know, grammar is the foundation of clear communication. So, imagine vocabulary as the bricks of a house and grammar as the cement that holds the bricks together. Even if you know many words, incorrect grammar can make your ideas confusing. In the IG examination, grammar is assessed in every paper. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Today, we will focus on the verb tenses and sentence structures that students use most often. Okay? So, section A, verb tenses. Okay, what is a verb tense? A verb tense tells us when an action happens. For example, the past, the present, the future. The past, I mean yesterday, the present, today, the future, tomorrow. Let's start up with the simple present tense. Okay, so we use the present simple for facts, habits, routines, general truth. For example, here you have the structure, subject plus verb, the base form. And as you know, for he, she, it, I mean the third person singular, we add s or es. For example, I study English every day. She walks to school, and the earth goes around the sun. Okay? Signal words, here you have that indicate the simple present. You have always, usually, often, sometimes, every day, and never. Now, let's practice quickly. Choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. Who wants to start? Sentence number 1.
For those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write down your answers in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question, Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Miriam, we would like to hear your voice. The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Myriama, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre et parler.
Yes,
Myriama.
Moina.
Okay, let's move on to Moina.
Yes,
The
quickly,
mic
please.
is yours. You have access to your microphone. Moana, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
Choose the correct answer. The number 1. My brother plays football every weekend.
Good.
Number 2, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. And 3, they study English every day. 4, my
They?
teacher always. They study. They study English every day.
Mhm.
My teacher always arrives early. We watch
Yeah.
TV every evening.
So we watch TV every evening. Good. Thank you, Moina. Let's move on to talk about the present continuous now. We use the present continuous with actions happening now, temporary situations, and future arrangements. Okay, the structure of the present progressive is subject plus am or is or are plus verb plus ing. I mean subject plus verb plus ing. Example, she is reading. They are studying. I am preparing for my examination. Okay. Signal words that indicate the present progressive are now, at the moment, currently, today, and right now. Correct the mistakes. Correct the mistakes, guys.
For those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write down your answers in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Anisha? Yes, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone now. Anisha, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
Yes?
Doctor, can you hear Anisha? I don't know if she's speaking
No,
right now.
I can't hear her. I can't hear her. No.
Anisha, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, please answer Dr. Suad's question.
Okay. Number 1, they are studying English.
Good.
Number 2, she is writing.
Okay.
Number 3, I am reading a book.
Mm-hmm.
Number 4, we are watching TV. And number 5, he is playing football.
Good. Okay. And what are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I'm taking a class.
Okay. Take an English class. Okay. IG English class. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. I move on to number 3 here, the past simple. Okay. So we use the simple past with completed actions in the past. For example, so yesterday I visited my grandmother. 2, we watched a film last night. 3, the students completed the exercise. Okay? Signal words that indicate the simple past. You have yesterday, last week, last year ago, in 24, in 26, and so on. Okay? Or in 25. So let's practice quickly. So complete the sentences, put the verbs in the simple past tense. Let's listen to who wants to start.
For those who want to answer Dr. Suad's question, you can raise your hand or write down your answers in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Suad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos questions via le chat. Antoine? The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Antoise, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Veuillez, s'il vous plaît, répondre à la question de Dr. Souad. Antoise, can you participate right now? Okay, let's move on to Catherine. Catherine, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Catherine, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
Allez, quickly,
Yeah.
quickly, please.
Yesterday, I'm go to the library.
Yesterday, I went to the library. Sit there. Yeah, okay. So put the verbs in the simple past.
Yes. She's buy a new phone.
Okay, I correct for you. She bought a new phone. Number 3,
We study together.
We studied together. Simple past. We studied together. Next, they
eat lunch at noon.
Okay, the simple past of the verb to eat here. They ate. He simple past of the verb to write. He wrote. No. So I correct here. He wrote an email. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Number 4 now, the present perfect. The present perfect. So we use the present perfect here to talk about experience, recent actions and actions connected to the present. Okay. So the structure of the present perfect is has or have plus past participle of the verb. I repeat, the structure is has or have plus past participle of the verb. Now let's practice quickly. Choose the correct answer. Okay, who wants to start? The present perfect here. Let's choose the correct answer. Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr, yes.
Okay, let's move on to Abu Bakr.
Yeah.
On m'a dit Abu Bakr, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. On m'a dit Abu Bakr, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Answer Dr. Souad's question, please.
Okay. The first one, my brother has played.
No, Abu Bakr. Choose the correct answer. I didn't say use the present perfect. Choose the correct answer. Okay.
Okay. My brother plays football every weekend.
Okay, simple present. 2.
Water boils at 100 degrees.
3.
They study every day.
Good. Number 4.
My teacher always arrives early.
Oh, and number 5.
We watch TV every evening.
Back to our exercise. Wadi Abu Bakr, please.
Okay. I return the first one or I continue?
No, continue. So, the last one, we watch TV every...
We watch TV every evening.
Okay, thank you, Abu Bakr. Thank you. Let's continue now. Okay. Now I move on to talk about one of the most important skills for the IG written paper. Okay, so one of the descriptors for high marks in using a variety of sentence structures accurately. So many students only write simple sentences, which limits their score. So this section teaches you how to write like high achieving candidates. Okay, so this is part 5, which deals with sentence structure for IGCSE writing. So what is a sentence? What makes a complete sentence? So a complete sentence must contain a subject, a verb, a complete idea. For example, the students studied, my sister enjoys reading, and the weather is beautiful today. You have 4 types of sentences. Number 1, simple sentence. Okay, definition. A simple sentence contains one independent clause. The structure, subject plus verb plus complete idea. For example, the students revised for the examination. My brother enjoys football. You have an activity now. Underline the subject and circle the verb. Who wants to start? Underline the subject and circle the verb. Yeah?
For those who want to answer Dr. Swan's question, you can raise your hand or write your answers in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Swad, veuillez s'il vous plaît, soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Elamine Moubine, why don't you give it a try? Elamine Moubine, pourquoi veuillez s'il vous plaît donner un essai? La parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. The mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Please answer Dr. Swad's question, please.
Okay, so now I would like can participate because I had some problem about the connection to be linked in the meeting. So I come later. This is why I would like just to can listen and to participate before can answer some question, teacher.
Yeah. Sorry, what did you say, Boubacar?
Sorry?
So do you have a question?
No, I don't have any question. Just I was participating in the training, just.
Yeah, okay. Can you start now? Number 1, underline the subject and circle the verb. Sentence number 1.
Circle the verb.
Allez vite. Read the sentence first. Sarah studies English every evening. So, what is the subject?
So the verb is here is studies in the first sentence.
The subject.
Studies is the verb. Study.
And Sarah is the subject. Number 2.
Number 2, the children played. The verb is here is a play, to play, played. The verb to play.
And what is what is the subject?
The subject is the children.
Good. Number 3.
Number 3, the subject is the teacher. The subject is the teacher, and the verb is explained. It's the verb explain. The verb explain.
Good. Yeah, the verb, of course, is in the simple past tense. Number 4.
Number 4. My many students is the subject. Many students is the subject. So students is the subject, and enjoy and reading are the verbs in this sentence.
Enjoy is the verb, not enjoy reading. The verb is to enjoy. Reading is a noun here. So what do you read? You enjoy what? Read a noun.
The fifth sentence. Current.
Number 5.
Well,
Number 5. Yes.
The subject is parents and the verb is walk, to walk.
The verb is to work.
Walk.
The subject, my parents. Yeah? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I move on to talk about compound sentences now. Thank you. A compound sentence joins two independent clauses. So we use coordinated conjunctions like and, but, or, so, for, yet, nor. Okay? Example, I studied hard and I passed the examination. She likes English, but she dislikes mathematics. We arrived early, so we found good seats. Complex sentences. So what is a complex sentence? A complex sentence contains one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Okay? Common subordinating conjunctions you have because, although, since, while, if, when, before, after, unless, even though, as, and. For example, although the examination was difficult, the students remained calm. Sentence number 2. Because she revised every day, she achieved excellent results. Sentence number 3. If you practice regularly, you will improve quickly. And next sentence, when the lesson finished, everyone went home. Now, number 4, you have compound complex sentences. Compound complex sentences, these sentences contain at least two independent clauses and one independent clause. The example is, although I was nervous, I answered every question and I finished the examination on time. Okay, so we have one dependent clause and two independent clause. Now, let's move on to the next section. Okay, in this section, we will cover linking words and cohesive devices, modal verbs. Okay, so this is one of the most practical sections because it helps you improve both writing and speaking while avoiding errors that frequently cost marks. Okay. Linking words, part 6, linking words, modal verbs, and common grammar mistakes. So, dear participants, imagine reading a paragraph where every sentence starts with the I or then. So, it sounds repetitive and disconnected. So, good writers guide the reader from one idea to the next using linking words. Today, we'll also learn how modal verbs help us express opinions, advice, and obligation, skills you need in both the writing and speaking papers. Okay? So what are linking words? So linking words, also called connectors or cohesive devices, connect ideas, sentences, and paragraphs. They help you write and become clear, organized, logical, and easy to follow. Here you have types of linking words. Number 1, addition. So use it to add more information. For example, and. Here you have the example. English is useful and it is enjoyable. Another linking word, also, for example, she also studies French. Another example, moreover, example. Moreover, technology improves communication. You have furthermore, it saves time. In addition, students become more independent and besides, it is inexpensive, okay? So all of these are linking words which add more information. Number 2, you have contrasts. We use them to show differences. For example, you have the linking word but. I studied hard, but the exam was difficult. However, it was expensive. However, it was worth the money. Although it rained, we played football. Nevertheless, the task was difficult. Nevertheless, we completed. And on the other hand, so some students prefer face-to-face learning, okay? So these are linking words that show contrast or differences. Number 3, linking words that show cause and reason, like because. For example, I passed because I revised daily. Since it was late, we went home. As I had studied, I felt confident, and due to, example, the match was cancelled due to heavy rain. Okay. Also, there are linking words that express result, like so, therefore, consequently, and as a result. For example, I revised, so I passed. You have the result, I passed. I revised every day, therefore I felt confident. He was ill, consequently he stayed at home. The roads were flooded, as a result schools closed. Okay? Sequence, now linking words that show sequence. For example, firstly, secondly, finally, then, and after that. You have examples. Firstly, introduce the topic. Secondly, explain your ideas. Finally, write your conclusion. Then check your work. After that, submit your answer. Okay? Give an example. So we use some linking words to give an example. Here you have, for example, for instance, and such as. You can say many sports, for example, football, improve fitness. Some countries, for instance, Japan, have advanced technology. Renewable energy, such as solar power, reduces pollution. Okay? Okay, now you have an activity. Choose the best connector. Let's practice, dear students. Let's practice together. Choose the best connector. Raise your hands.
Okay, for
Yeah?
those who want to answer Dr. Salad's question, you can raise your hand or write down your answers in the comment below. Pour ceux qui veulent répondre à la question de Dr. Salad, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos réponses via le chat. Antoise, Alice, Walihi, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Antoise, Alice, Walihi, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Antoise, the mic
Yes,
is yours.
you listen me? Yeah. You listen me?
We can hear
Yes,
you.
we can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. The first question, I enjoy English. I find grammar difficult. I
Okay, number
enjoy
2.
English, but I found grammar difficult.
Good.
Second question, she revised every day. She achieved excellent results.
Result.
She revised every day. However, they achieved
No,
excellent
however
results.
shows contrast here. We don't need a contrast in the sentence, okay?
Therefore,
Okay, she achieved
she
excellent
revised
results.
every day. Therefore, they achieved excellent results.
Number 3.
free, recycling, reduce
Recycling,
pollution,
recycling,
recycling, reduce pollution. Everyone should recycle.
recycle.
Recycle, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Because recycling reduce pollution, everyone should recycle.
Okay, nice. Number 4.
Number 4, we visited many countries, France and Italy. Therefore, but
You have an example, yes.
we visited many countries such as France and Italy.
Okay, good. Continue. Complete. Fill in the gaps. Okay, quickly. Complete the paragraph.
Yeah,
with the right
I
linker.
enjoy learning English. It helped me communicate with people from different countries.
Because it helps me.
Yeah, because it helps me. Yes.
Yeah, sorry.
It
Yes.
improved my communicated with people from different countries. It improved my career opportunity. Yeah. Therefore,
yes, learning a language requires patience.
I improve my career opportunities.
Yeah, I revise every day.
Learning a language requires patience and regular practice. Such as?
I said I revise every day. I have become much more confident. So put a linker here.
I revise every day. I have become much more confident. I revise every day because I have become much more confident.
No, not because.
No. That's a big therefore, such as although.
Although, so contrast. Is there any contrast here?
No.
Okay.
This is the result.
Result, yes.
Yeah. The revise every day. Because much more confident.
You can say simply, as a result, I have become much more confident. Okay?
Yes.
As a result. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, good. Now let's move on to talk about modal verbs. Okay. So modal verbs. What are modal verbs? Okay. Modal verbs are helping verbs that express ability, possibility, permission, advice, obligation, or certainty. Okay. Common modal verbs. Common modal verbs. So common modal verbs. You have can, which expresses ability. For example, I can speak English. Could, past ability or polite request, like could you help me? May expresses permission. For example, may I leave early? Might expresses possibility. For example, it might rain tomorrow. Must expresses obligation. For example, I have to finish my homework. Should, yes, or have to, necessity. I have to finish my homework. Should expresses advice, like you should revise every day. Will expresses the future. I will study tonight. And would, polite request. For example, I would like some information. Okay. So choose the correct model quickly, guys. So who wants to do choose the correct model? Choose the correct model. Okay, who wants to start? Yeah, Abu Bakr, yes. Choose the correct model quickly.
Abu Bakr, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Abu Bakr, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone.
Yes.
Okay. You must wear a helmet when riding a bicycle.
Okay, 2.
It is cloudy. It might rain later.
Okay, number 3. Number 3. Number 3.
May I borrow your dictionary?
May I borrow your dictionary? So polite request. May I? Number 4. Number 4.
Student should revise regularly if they want good grades.
So you said number 4. Students
Should revise
regularly if they want good results. Good. Thank you, Abu Bakr. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to talk about common grammar mistakes here quickly, okay? So as you know, grammar mistakes are error in the way words and sentences are formed. They can make your writing or speaking unclear and may reduce your marks in the IG English examination. So by learning to identify and correct these common mistakes, you can communicate more accurately and confidently, okay? So here we have, for example, number 1, subject-verb agreement, the rule. The verb must agree with the subject in number, singular or plural. Example, she go to school every day, so this is wrong. We say she goes, okay? So the verb agrees with the subject. The third person and singular, we add es. She goes to school every day. They plays football, this is wrong. They play football, okay? My brother have a new bicycle. My brother has a new bicycle. So remember to add s or es to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it in the present simple. Okay, verb tense error, for example, use the correct tense according to the time of the action. Example, yesterday I go to the market. This is wrong. Yesterday I went to the market. So this is correct as we have the simple past tense. So here, the common tip, look for time expressions such as yesterday, last week, now, every day, and already to help you choose the correct tense. 3. You have articles A and V. Rule, so we use A before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds and V for something specific. For example, we say, I bought a new laptop and not a new laptop. She is an engineer. The sun rises in the east. Countable singular nouns usually need an article, okay? Preposition error. For example, here you have the rule, use the correct preposition with different words and expression. Example, we say, I'm interested in English and not on English. I'm good at mathematics and not in mathematics. I arrive at school and not to school. Depend on your parents and not of your parents. Common tip, learn common adjective preposition combination as fixed expressions, okay? Now, dear participants, so it's the end of today's session. Okay, so if you have any questions, so it's question time, you can raise your hands, okay? Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dr. Swad, for all your efforts. For those who have a question about today's lecture, you can raise your hand or write down all your questions in the comment below. Merci infiniment à vous, docteurs, pour tous vos efforts. Pour ceux qui ont des questions concernant le cours d'aujourd'hui, veuillez s'il vous plaît soit lever la main, soit écrire vos questions via le chat. Antoine, the mic is yours. You can have access to your microphone. Please, you can ask your question. Please ask your question. Antoine, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès à votre microphone. Veuillez s'il vous plaît poser votre question. Antoine Ali Swahili. You have access to your microphone, please. If you have any kind of question. All right.
No, I have any question.
All right. Doctor, I think that you give the participants a homework. Isn't it right? There was like something that they need to
it
write.
was last session. So I gave them a homework. I don't know. So
I do it, but I leave my laptop on the work. Now I am home and I used my phone for to participate.
Okay, so we can keep it for next time.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay, for everyone, you have the homework of last lecture will be available to next lecture.
It will be postponed, so postpone it for next session, okay? Yeah.
All right. Yes. Today, last lecture, the homework will be postponed for the next lecture, which means for those who didn't done the homework can make it now for the next session. Tout le monde, nous avons prolongé la limite de temps du déposement de vos devoirs. Donc, pour ceux qui ne l'ont pas fait, vous pouvez le faire et le déposer pour la semaine prochaine. Doctor, would you like them to give it to you as a screenshot on the chat, or would you like
them okay, no problem.
to write it on a paper or via Word? How do you want it?
They can send it by email if they can.
Okay, I will make a form so they could send it right there.
Okay, good.
Okay, so everyone, please make sure that you would get the quiz. I didn't get it, Catherine. What do you mean? About the last session homework, it will be postponed. Okay. For those who want to who need to write their homework, there will be a form that you will submit it. You can use a paper, or for those who want to send it via Word, just you can send it as a file. So you have two options via the form, and the form will be soon available. Okay. For more information about the homework, please check review the lecture record that's available on the YouTube channel. Ok, tout le monde, le déposement de votre devoir a été prolongé, tout comme nous l'avons dit. Il sera déposé via le formulaire, tout comme nous l'avons fait dans l'une des formations. D'accord, vous pouvez la déposer soit en prenant une photo de ce que vous avez écrit avec un papier et un stylo, soit à partir d'un fichier Word que vous pouvez envoyer via le formulaire. Est-ce que c'est clair? Is everything clear right now? Did I mess up something? Did I mess it up, Dr. Swan? Please.
Yeah, I'm listening to you. Okay. So, do you have any question, dear participants?
I'm saying that did I mess up anything? Did I mess up the stops? No.
No,
Okay,
no,
no,
it's
don't
okay.
worry.
It's okay. It's fine. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Antoise, the mic is yours. You have access to your microphone. Is there any question? Antoise, la parole est à vous. Vous avez accès au microphone. Avez-vous des questions?
No, I have any question. I have any question. Thanks for the doctor.
You are welcome, Antoise. You are welcome. Yes.
Okay, I think that everything is clear and there is no questions. Je pense que tout est clair et qu'il n'y a plus de questions. In the end of today's lecture, would you like to add something, doctor? À la fin du cours d'aujourd'hui, pardon, voulez-vous ajouter quelque chose?
D'accord, Malek. Donc, pour les chers étudiants, si vous souhaitez poursuivre votre parcours académique ou obtenir davantage d'informations sur nos programmes de licence ou de master, donc je vous invite à consulter le lien partagé dans le chat par Malek, Madame Malek. Donc, n'hésitez pas à vous inscrire ou à le remplir afin d'être contacter et de recevoir toutes les informations nécessaires. Donc, merci pour vous, merci pour votre attention, votre participation et motivation. Merci à vous, Malek. Donc, à la prochaine séance, Inch'Allah. Bye bye.
Merci infiniment à vous, Dr. Soran, pour tous vos efforts. Merci aux participants pour avoir participé au cours de la formation d'aujourd'hui. Attention, nous n'avons pas encore terminé notre formation. Nous vous verrons ensemble la semaine prochaine, le jeudi à 16h, selon l'heure locale de l'Arabie Saoudite. Vous pouvez également suivre les dernières actualités concernant les séminaires, formations, ateliers, concours et l'inscription des programmes d'études de l'Université Midocean via le compte officiel de l'Université Midocean, le groupe WhatsApp des activités étudiants ou encore le site web. Merci à vous tous. On verra ensemble dans nos prochaines activités ou encore pas demain, après-demain, avec la formation de l'apprentissage de la langue arabe et son histoire, ou bien encore avec nos autres nombreuses formations, telles que l'art de la négociation, logiciel de résolution avancé, outils symboliques. Nous avons également l'atelier de Dr. Soufiane qui aura introduction sur le cloud Amazon House qui aura lieu la semaine prochaine, Inch'Allah, et plein d'autres de formations, ateliers, concours, et bien sûr, sans oublier les programmes d'études offerts par l'Université Midocean. Pour savoir plus concernant les programmes d'études de l'Université Midocean, n'hésitez pas à visiter le site web de l'université. Et si vous souhaitez vous inscrire, vous pouvez également visiter le site web et vous trouverez le lien d'inscription à vos programmes d'études. Merci à vous tous. Souhaitons une excellente fin de journée. Au revoir.